Okay, welcome back, guys. I got some awesome hauls over the weekend, and we are going to answer some of the most popular questions of how to find the pennies. First things first, the most basic, download the Dollar Tree app, and then when you scan products, if it comes up as product not found, then you go to the scanner like we are here, and if it comes up a penny, you've found a penny. Now the next question is, how do you know what to look for? There's thousands and thousands of products in the store, and of course you can't scan them all. So I'm going to break this down into 3 different categories. You have UPC or package changes, discontinued items, and store-specific discontinued items. So things like the Bachelorette cups, the bride team party favors, the picture albums, all of these, there is not a similar item. They are all just discontinued, and in all of the stores, if you find the product, you're most likely going to find that they're a penny. But then you also have things like the crowns, where the box looks identical, but just the UPC changed. And you have the LA Color, where they're still going to carry the product, just the package changed. And last but not least, you have the dairy cooler items that pennied at some stores and not at others. So these would be store-specific items. I know these items specifically frustrated a lot of people over the weekend trying to find, thinking they had found the coffee drinks and then realizing they were full price. So let's talk real quick about why some things are store-specific. So if one store has 3 dairy cooler doors and one store has 8 dairy cooler doors, and they have 10 new products coming in that they need to make space for, of course the store that has 8 doors is not going to have to delete or get rid of as many products or any products as the store with 3 doors. So what I found in all my stores was if I had less than 3 doors, then the coffee drinks were pennied, and if I had more than 3 doors, they weren't. And the freezers worked the same way. So hopefully that will make it a little more understandable why some stores pennied and other stores didn't. Now what I did find really interesting was that when you scan a product, normally it comes up as product not found, and I'll put a clip in here so you can see what I'm talking about. But sometimes, every once in a while, it comes up with a picture of the product and no price. I'll also insert this here, which is how all the dairy and cooler products came up. So I'm wondering if, when they're store specific, this is how they're going to show in the app. We had found quite a few products that had came up this way previously, but every time we checked them at the scanner, they weren't a penny. So I'm not sure if that's why they came up that way, but that's how all of the refrigerated and frozen products I found came up. Okay, so now for package change. So there's telltale signs on most all of the package changes. Some things, unfortunately, like the crowns, you kind of need to know what the last couple of the UPC are because otherwise they look identical. But most products, there's something on the package that'll stand out and let you know that that's the one you're looking for. The LA Color, it's the little yellow label that says New Look on it. The wrapping paper, the old one only says baby or wedding or all occasion. The new one has baby in French and in English on it. So that makes it easier to find it and not have to scan everything. Because if you scan everything, you'll be in the store for hours and probably won't find stuff. The little Easter trees do look a lot alike, the new ones and the old ones, but the old ones light up, and then their tag, which I show at the beginning of the video, is much bigger and it's square. So you can, when you look through them, you can spot that big tag and be able to check them. Honestly, I got a bunch of them the other day and I was regretting it. There was glitter everywhere. I was definitely regretting my life's decisions by the time I got to the register, covered in glitter, covered the register in glitter, covered the shopping cart in glitter, and all of life is now covered in glitter. So if you don't mind a lot of glitter, go ahead, chance it, but just know those trees are going to pop a hole in your bag, and your car is also going to be covered in glitter. Now, as far as an official penny list or what day their pennies will be dropping, I have not got a confirmation on that. I have seen a couple people putting out that the pennies will be dropping on Monday. I also saw somebody saying that Valentine's stuff will penny on Monday. Whether or not that is correct, I guess we'll find out in a couple hours. But for now, until we get an official list, what I'm doing is noting any clearance items and then checking in the app later to see if and when they penny. And I will let y'all know as soon as I know. Thanks for watching. Do me a big favor, like, subscribe. Until next time.